Samsung has officially kicked off the One UI 9 beta for the Galaxy S26 lineup, and yes, it's happening right now. If you're using an S26 device, you can already sign up through the Samsung Members app in select regions. But here's the real question: who's getting access next? At the moment, the beta is live in countries like the US, UK, Germany, and Korea, with India and Poland expected to follow shortly. Samsung always starts small, then expands fast, so if your country isn't listed yet, don't worry, this rollout is only getting started. As expected, the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra are first in line. These are Samsung's newest flagships, making them ideal for testing Android 17 and One UI 9 features. But once testing stabilizes here, attention quickly shifts to the previous generation. Based on past trends, the Galaxy S25 series should be next. That includes the S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra, and even the S25 FE. Samsung typically moves to last year's flagships once the initial beta phase proves stable enough. The likely timing? Expansion could begin next month, especially after Samsung completes the stable One UI 8.5 rollout for S25 users worldwide. Once that milestone is cleared, the beta program usually accelerates across more premium devices. Foldable users won't be left out either. Devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 are expected to receive early beta access, possibly as soon as June. Samsung often prioritizes its premium foldables in major software testing cycles. There's also speculation that the upcoming Fold 8 and Flip 8 could launch directly with stable One UI 9 around July 2026. If that happens, Samsung may streamline the rollout for newer hardware even faster than before. After the foldables, older flagships should gradually enter the beta phase. The Galaxy S24 and S23 series are strong candidates. Samsung's recent update policy suggests these devices remain a key part of the software roadmap. FE editions, Galaxy Tab S tablets, and select premium A-series phones are also expected to join later stages of testing. While they won't be first in line, they're definitely on Samsung's update schedule. The good news is Samsung now promises up to 7 years of Android updates for many flagship models. That means devices from the S23 series and newer should eventually receive One UI 9 without question. However, remember that beta software is never perfect. You might experience bugs, battery drain, overheating, or random app crashes. This version is meant for testing, so only install it if you're comfortable with instability. If you're ready to try it, registration happens through the Samsung Members app. Availability depends on your country and carrier, so access may vary. Keep checking the app for the official beta banner. As for the stable release, One UI 9 is expected to roll out publicly around July or August 2026, starting with the latest flagships and foldables. This is TechTorch. Tell me which Galaxy device you're using, and I'll see you in the next one.